In 2007, Eminem didn't collapse on a stage. He collapsed in silence. An overdose put him in a hospital bed with his organs shutting down. Doctors said if he had arrived 2 hours later, he would have been dead. When he survived, the damage stayed. His thoughts were slow. His memory was unreliable. His hands didn't move the way they used to. The man known for control and precision couldn't even function normally. He went home and tried to write. Nothing came. The words felt distant. The rhythm was gone. He looked in the mirror and saw someone bloated, stiff, and unfamiliar. Outside, the verdict was already in. People said he was finished. They said the best version of him was over. They said he wouldn't come back. He didn't respond. He didn't defend himself. He went to work. First, he fixed his body. Every day he stepped onto a treadmill, not for comfort, not for enjoyment, to suffer. 17 miles a day, no music, no distractions, just breathing, footsteps, and time. Same machine, same pace, again and again. Then he fixed his mind. He studied words from the ground up, forced himself to write lines that felt slow and wrong, repeated patterns until his brain started responding again. No shortcuts, no sudden breakthrough, just repetition. Weeks turned into months. His body adapted, his focus sharpened, the speed returned. Not because he waited to feel ready, but because he showed up when he didn't. Then he recorded again. No comeback announcement, no explanations, just work. In 2010, Recovery dropped. It became the best-selling album in the world that year. The same people who wrote him off had no choice but to listen again. But the real comeback wasn't the charts. It was the proof. Talent doesn't save you. Only work does. From zero, 1 mile, 1 line, 1 day at a time. He didn't just survive. He reloaded. If this story proves anything, it's this. Rock bottom doesn't end you. Stopping does. No speeches saved him. No second chances arrived on time. Only work showed up every day. If you're rebuilding right now, quietly, painfully, with no applause, this story is for you. Share it with someone who's still fighting. And subscribe to the Imaginarium if you believe real change is built, not announced.